Guys, what is very painful on the part of Vice President Sara Duterte is that she was being, you know, tinatraidor siya ng mga Marcoses. Why? Because during the hearing, if you can remember, if if you were able to see that, yung sinabi niya na yung dalawang Marcos pumunta daw sa Davao and they were seeking for, you know, her support or help, no, for the election. In fact, no, tinanong nila si VP Sara na tatakbo ba daw ng presidente. Then sinabi ni VP Sara na hindi siya tatakbo. Now, the two Marcoses were asking for support of VP Sara, and they know for a fact that the Dutertes are very, influential, not only in Davao but nationwide. We know that is a public knowledge. Why? Because it is clearly proven when President Duterte won the 2016 presidential election. For me, it's very legendary, on the part of Duterte, because from mayor to president, grabe talaga yung influence niya sa mga tao, kasi yung trust sa mga tao is nakukuha niya, unlike to some other presidential candidates, kahit anong ginagawa wala pa rin. Kaya nga yung sinabi ko, very painful, kasi po si Sara naman talaga yung may potential na magiging president, pero gini-give way niya lang for Bongbong Marcos. But look now what happened. They were being attacked